Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge. Now, this is a real documented Judge. It features a numbers matching 400 Ram Air 3 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. The beautiful car has power steering and brakes. There it is. Pretty cool little poster that goes with this car. Now, this is like I say, it's a real deal, numbers matching 400 4-speed Judge. I bought this car. I got a package of cars. I've had this car for, I don't know, probably a year and a half, probably. And we painted this car. I got the car and I decided I'm gonna paint it because it was just way too nice a car, and the paint was just showing its age. So we stripped the car all down. We painted it. It looks beautiful. They did a fantastic job. This car has all the original interior in it. The interior has not been touched in the car, and it's very, very nice shape for being all original. Bucket seats. Wood grain dash. 4 on the floor. Factory 8-track player. Sail panels, headliner, dome light, seat belts, visors, all that's all in good shape. Jams, very nice. Very nice in the bottom of the doors. Quarter panels are very nice in this car. Kind of a rare deal to find a numbers matching Judge. Inside the trunk, got a spare tire and a tire iron jack holder. I don't know, the jack's not there. Probably have to find a jack if you want to put that back the way it was. Factory true dual exhaust. Not only did this car have a restoration of the paint body, but it also had a engine rebuilt. Car was sold at Means Auto Incorporated, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Thermal clean the block, deck the block, bore and hone, cam bearings, expansion plugs, hot tank. See everything we did to the engine. New timing chain, new cam lifters, valves, heads were all done. Gives you all the nice engine specs. Cam specs. And then here's all the stampings on the engine. Kind of neat. So we got all that paperwork, and we also have a bunch of other documents here. PHS docs. Window sticker. There's another one here. Let's see. 1970 GTO Judge hardtops. There was 3,600 of them produced. Kind of neat. Give you some specs on the engine and on the car itself. So hope you enjoyed that little presentation of paperwork. And when we had the car apart, we also put a new clutch, pressure plate, throwout bearing, pilot bearing, did all that stuff to it as well. So when we do something here, we don't cut corners. We don't, that'll be a nice poster there to take with you to car shows when you take this beautiful car to a car show. Like I say, when we do stuff around here at Kinion Classics, we don't cut corners. If we need to, if we're rebuilding the engine, we don't put used cam and lifters in it. We don't put the old used clutch back in it. We do things the right way. That way you do them once. This car runs absolutely fantastic. Say the paint and body on the car is very, very nice. I'd give the paint and body a 8.5 to a 9 out of 10. 36,000 miles is what the car shows on the clock. I have no idea if those miles are 36,000, 136,000. Dash lights, tack, left turn, right turn, horn, blower motor. That works. Wipers work. I wouldn't be too sure about the radio, but has a factory 8-track player down there too. She's a little cold-blooded. You guys understand that. We'll get her out on the highway. And I had it sitting in here last night, and I decided that I'd just leave it in here, and I didn't even start it up. Just now, you heard it. What a gorgeous car. You can see just how nice the paint is on it. Chrome door handles are in nice shape. The mirrors are in nice shape. Stainless trim around the windshield and rear window are all very, very nice. It's got the correct PMD 15-inch Pontiac Rally 2s on it with the BF Goodrich radial TA raised white letters. Let's check it out. I always try to show everybody exactly what they're getting, so. No bubbles or blisters down the bottom side of the car. And when we painted this car, it's been painted for a year. There wasn't any bubbles or blisters or anything like that on this car. So the body was super nice. The car was very clean, very straight. That hood hinge catches up a little bit. I oiled it, and sometimes you just got to push down on it. They seem to be getting better, so. Let's take this beautiful car out and drive it. Been kind of spitting rain this morning, so I'm trying to get all this done, get some pictures taken, and get some stuff done. Take you out here to the roadside and turn around. This car really runs very well. Oil pressure gauge, temp gauge, fuel gauge, they all work. Pontiacs, they always did run better than almost all the Chevrolets and Fords. Numbers matching Judge. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa 563-452-50. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So give us a call if you want to buy this beautiful 70 Judge. Maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. Gorgeous car, sounds great, runs great. Numbers matching 70 Judge, Kinion Classics, KinionAuto.com. Again, 563-452-2450. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great afternoon, everyone, and I'll talk to you very soon.